Surah At-Takwīr, the folding up. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. When the sun is folded up, and when the stars lose their light, and when the mountains are set in motion, and when the pregnant camels are neglected, and when the wild beasts are gathered together, and when the seas are set ablaze, and when souls are paired, and when the baby girl buried alive is asked, for what sin she was killed, and when the scrolls are laid open, and when the sky is uncovered, and when hellfire is ignited, and when paradise is brought near, then every soul will know what it has brought forth. So I swear by the retreating stars, those that run their course and disappear, and by the night as it closes in, and by the dawn as it breathes. Surely this is the word of a noble messenger, mighty in power, held in honor with the Lord of the throne, obeyed there and trustworthy. And your companion is not a madman. He certainly saw him on the clear horizon, and he does not withhold knowledge of the unseen, and it is not the word of an accursed devil. So where are you going? It is only a reminder to all people, to whoever among you wills to be upright. But you cannot will unless Allah, the Lord of the worlds, wills.